Sometimes English is confusing. You do something, but you make something else. So today, listen carefully. Because in English, these two small words appear everywhere. Do and make. Let's practice together. I did my best. I really tried. I did my best, even if I failed. I did my best. Sometimes that's enough. I did my best. I did my best. I did my best. I made a mistake. It happens. I made a mistake, but I learned. I made a mistake, and tomorrow I'll try again. I made a mistake, I made a mistake, I made a mistake. I made a mistake. I did the work, even when it was hard. I did the work, quietly, slowly. I did the work, step by step. I did the work, I did the work, I did the work. I did the work. I made a promise, and I meant it. I made a promise to you, to myself. I made a promise, and I'll keep it. I made a promise, I made a promise, I made a promise. I made a promise. Just do it. Stop waiting. Just do it. Start now. Just do it, even if you're afraid. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Let's make a plan, something simple. Let's make a plan for tomorrow. Let's make a plan and follow it. Make a plan, make a plan, make a plan. Make a plan. I did the right thing, even if it was difficult. I did the right thing, even if no one noticed. I did the right thing because it mattered. I did the right thing, I did the right thing, I did the right thing. I did the right thing. Let's make a change. Small steps matter. Let's make a change. Today, let's make a change. Make a change, make a change, make a change. a change. I did everything I could. I really tried. I did everything I could. Sometimes that's all we can do. I did everything I could. I did everything I could. Let's make it better, one step at a time. Let's make it better together. Let's make it better, starting now. Make it better, make it better, make it better, make it better. We made mess, we don't always follow rules, but we listen, and slowly we begin to feel the language. Do we make two small words, but now